Hello, I'm Fontani Descargos here at the WEART booth, trying this fantastic glove for haptic feedback. So I love this glove because it can give both a sensation of texture with vibrations, the sensation of pressures on the fingers, and temperature. So now I'm trying a demo there where I can try different settings. Like here, I can select materials, and when I pass my hands, I feel vibrations. And if I change material, the vibrations are different. So, as I always say, the sensation is not super realistic. There is still work to do on that side, but at least I can detect the roughness of the materials and the fact that they are different. But the thing that I love the most, apart from grabbing objects, when I grab them, some things inside of my finger that press my fingertip. So it's like squeeze me a bit. So I have really sensation touching something. Now I'm pouring away a lot of cookie mix. And here I can grab another object. And actually, this is super realistic sensation, but because I really grabbed an object, this is super fun. Actually, I said, oh, the most realistic haptics of my life. Because it was true. But anyway, let's get back to something very intriguing, which is the faucet that there is in this experience, where I can feel the temperature because this is one of the peculiarity of this glove. So here I select to open the faucet with cold water, and I could feel apart from the vibration from the touch sensation, I can feel cold. And the interesting thing in that I tried the configuration up, and it made me try the maximum cold I can reach. It's really cold. It's like the hands are freezing. Now the faucet is set to hot, and I can feel some warmness. And also here, to the settings, you can arrive in setting a truly hot sensation. You feel like your hand may be freezing or burning hot, and I was a bit scared. Let's be honest, but actually there is no possibility of being harmed. But the sensation of hot and warm can be very, very noticeable. You see, the design is very interesting. There is tracking of the fingers. For professional tracking, you need a controller for now, but they're looking for other solutions. And the cool thing is that apart from tracking, you have the business session, but then you have the squeezing thing and you have the temperature, which is amazing. So thanks for watching this video. I wish you a good day in VR. Bye bye.